Hello, today we're doing the new iPod Touch 5 unboxing. I just have our new iPod Touch arrived today, and this is our the box I just got from DHL, and this is the newest model number for the iPod Touch 5 A1421, and this is the part number. And okay, and now it's time for me to do the unboxing. Yeah. Okay. Oh, the Apple used the same packaging as before, and this is my iPod Touch 5. I got it in blue. Actually, I want to get it in pink for my friend, but later on I changed my mind. I got to order one for myself, and it's in 32 gigabytes. Okay, here I'm going to open the packaging. And this is the iPod Touch 5. Okay, I'm trying to pull it out from the packaging. It's really tight. And okay, and there is some. Okay, oh, it feels like a metal feeling on the back, and this is the size on the for the new iPod Touch. And let's see what's in the box, in the packaging box. Okay, I got the manual, the cover, as Apple packaging before, and this the new lightning cable for the new generation of the iOS device. And here is the Apple EarPod. I haven't used this before. I like my headphone more than the Apple headphones. And this the iPod look. It's just to me it's just some cheap plastic. But it's at least it's better than nothing. At least for the new iPod Touch, it's got it's I like the iPod Touch more than the new iPhone as well. And this is the new iPod Touch. And they got the big 4-inch screen as before, as the new iPhone, same as new iPhone. And this the and here is the new iPod Touch 5. And thank you for watching. And if you we would like you to if sorry, and we will post up more video on our newest iPod Touch accessories at our website below your screen. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.